Things they don't tell you about freezing your eggs. I'm only on my third day of freezing my eggs and I already have so much to say about this whole process. By the way, I just got microneedling, so I have to go in with a mineral sunscreen. So I'm using this one, Isden, and it's all tinted too. First thing I want to talk about is it is incredibly expensive. Like, I am fortunate enough to be able to have insurance and be able to afford the rest of the cost. But for other women, like, you don't even get a choice because of how ridiculously expensive it is. So let me just give you an example. So there's a part where you have to freeze your eggs, right? And there's a part where you have to pay for the medication. They're kind of separate. So I was like, of course I want to pay for everything as much as possible under insurance. But my nurse was like, oh, actually you should probably pay for the medicine without insurance because your insurance only covers up to this much and you want to get the actual freezing part covered by insurance. So I'm like, okay, so how much is the medication going to cost with and without insurance? The medication with insurance, because it's so inflated, was going to be 13.5K, okay? But if I pay out of pocket without insurance, it was going to be $3,500. You guys, that's a difference of 10K. That's like fucking illegal. I mean, like, it makes me so angry how messed up the healthcare system in the US is. Like, when I am older, I'm going to retire in Korea because the healthcare is just so much cheaper, so much more affordable, so much easier to navigate.